Yo, what's up yo? My name is PJ. I'm from Cebu, Bisaya, Akubay. And welcome to my YouTube channel, PJ Yo. Yon, di ba? So for today guys, is another episode of our 30-day productivity challenge. So we are now on our day 22. Yon, di ba? So sa mga bago lang dyan guys, my name is PJ again. I'm from Cebu and I make videos about mga productivity tips, about mga money making, yung mga sideline guys, kung saan pwede tayo mag-earn ng mga income. Yon, di ba? And of course, we have some mga food reviews, mga travel, and mga movie reviews, and a lot more. So we have a lot of mga interesting topics to talk about. And ngayon nga guys, it's another part of our 30-day productivity challenge. So day 22 na tayo guys. So we created these videos from day 1 to day 30 wherein we will talk about mga productivity tips guys, kung paano tayo maging productive and eventually ma-achieve natin yung goals na sinimula natin from day 1 hanggang day 30 guys. So it's a continuous process guys na we can improve on ourselves, diba? As an employee, as a person, and even yung in a relationship guys, kung saan pwede tayong mag-improve, diba? So pwede natin gamitin actually from day 1 to day 30. I mean, yung mga tips, yung mga activities na pwede natin gawin, diba? In order for us to achieve our goals, diba? Kahit anong goals guys, pwede relationship goals, diba? Yung mga friend, mga barkada goals, diba? Lahat ng goals guys, eventually, yun yung ultimate goal natin is ma-achieve natin yon, diba? Mga personal goals, lahat yan guys, pag-usapan natin. So, day 22 na tayo guys. So, for today guys, ang topic natin is 5 reasons why done is better than perfect, di ba? Nahirapan pa ako dun ha. So, at least it's done is better than perfect. Yon. So normally kasi guys, we have this tendency na maging masyadong perfectionist na to the point that hindi na natin ma-achieve yung goals natin kasi nga nagbabacklog tayo guys, or there's this tendency that we will get disappointed, nade-depress tayo guys because apparently yung outcome na ini-expect natin is not that perfect or is not that close to kung ano yung na-imagine natin from the start, diba? From the start, we have this mga expectations kasi kung ano yung like yung gagawin natin, yung mga projects na gusto natin gawin, diba? And yun nga, towards the end, diba? So, we found out na malayo pala, like yung dinesign natin is from the start is far sa kung ano yung outcome, yung product itself, yung produkto na final product is malayo. So, there's this tendency na hindi natin tatapusin yung work because yun nga, nade-depress tayo and we think that hindi siya perfect. So, bakit kailangan kong tapusin? Ganon. So, it will go on guys. It will, to the point nga na wala na kayo matatapos, kumbaga, di ba? So, yun guys, so, pag-usapan natin guys Bisaya na po. Anyway, pag-usapan natin guys na bakit mas mahalaga na tapusin, di ba? So, we should always finish what we started guys, di ba? Kahit hindi siya perfect because yun nga pag-usapan natin today guys, yung 5 reasons kung bakit na mas mainam na tapusin yung bagay, yung task natin kahit hindi siya perfect, di ba? Ayos ba? Ayos, di ba? So, reason number 1 na tayo guys is to retain our self-respect, diba? So that's the reason number 1 guys is self-respect, diba? So kasi guys, ganito kasi yan guys, there is this tendency na pag hindi natin natapos or nagawa yung task natin, example, ano yung task, yung reports or yung finished product na rini-require sa inyo, like yung presentation, movie presentation, or PowerPoint presentation. Example lang yan guys ha, or yung thesis ninyo, or yung ganun. Hindi nyo tinapos, diba? Because apparently nawalan kayo ng gana. Kumbaga, ayaw nyo nang tapusin because you thought na hindi siya perfect or lousy yung work nyo, diba? Ganon. So, there's this tendency na pag hindi natin tinapos guys, mawawalan tayo eventually ng respect for ourselves. Ano ibig sabihin nun guys? So, there will come a point in our time, in our life, kumbaga na hindi na tayo naniniwala sa ating sarili. Kumbaga, we are, kumbaga, self-doubting na tayo na wala tayong kayang gawin, wala tayong kayang tapusin, di ba? So, nadidepress tayo guys, demotivated tayo, di ba? Sa mga instances na ganon because yun nga, iniisip natin na hindi natin kayang tapusin or in fact, you are already close, di ba? Malapit na sana kayo matapos guys but eventually, sumuko tayo. Kumbaga, we gave up because yun nga, for the reason na we think na our work is not good enough, we are not good enough, di ba? Ganon. So, nadidepress tayo guys. So, yun guys, isipin natin guys na yun, tapusin na lang natin kung ano yung sinimulan natin, kumbaga guys. That is so that we can preserve our self-respect guys, that yun, kaya ko pala, di ba? Kaya natin, actually kaya natin guys. So, yun lang yung isipin natin guys. Kahit hindi masyadong perfect yung work nyo guys, kahit sabihin natin barely passing lang yung nagawa nyo guys, at least you gave your best, di ba? Yan yung parang outcome ng efforts nyo, di ba? At least pahalagahan natin yun guys, nag-effort tayo doon. But apparently yun nga, medyo kinapos tayo towards the end, kumbaga. So, yun lang isipin natin guys, it's not the end of the world, kumbaga. Sa mga instances na ganon, we can still improve on, we can still upgrade or better ourselves, kumbaga. So, yun guys, wag mawala ng pag-asa guys. So, yun. So, finish na natin guys. Tapusin natin guys kung ano yung sinimulan natin, di ba? That way, we will feel good. Kumbaga, we'll feel good to ourselves na, uy, kaya ko pala. Chicken lang pala yun, di ba? At least kahit, yun nga, medyo hindi siya maganda yung outcome. At least guys, you anong tawag dito, nag-stick kayo until the end, di ba? Nag-commit kayo until the end hanggang matapos niyo yung project, yung work, kung ano man yan, di ba? Committed kayo, natapos nyo. Yun lang nga, medyo hindi siya kagandahan, but yun nga guys, ang sinasabi ko kanina, huwag mawala ng pag-asa. So, there's a big room for improvement, kumbaga, di ba? So, that's the reason number 1 guys, di ba? Self-improvement, self-respect, kumbaga, di ba? So, yun guys, yung reason number 2 natin is yung positive momentum, di ba? Kumbaga, yung momentum natin guys, yung good momentum natin is wag natin i-cut, kumbaga, tuloy-tuloy lang yun guys, di ba? Example, na-accomplish yung reports, di ba? So, you move on to the next one, to the next task, kumbaga, the next project, di ba? Kumbaga, hindi tayo mai-stuck doon guys. So, keep moving forward, kumbaga, keep moving forward, di ba? Forward lang tayo guys until na yun nga, we get better, kumbaga, di ba? So, yung momentum natin guys, tuloy-tuloy lang yan guys. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan, di ba? Tapos sa project, so next project na naman. So, until there are other better opportunities, kumbaga, di ba? Until such time that nag-improve na tayo guys, so mas maganda na yung output natin, di ba? So, yun guys, so yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina, wag agad mag-give up, kumbaga, di ba? Because there are a lot of opportunities, kumbaga, that will come our way, that we can continuously improve ourselves, our crafts, our work, di ba? Our talent, our skills, di ba? So, it's a continuous process, guys. So, yung sinabi ko always sinasabi ko is we enjoy the process, we have a good time, kumbaga, di ba? So, yun guys, so, reason number 2, yun nga, yung positive momentum. So, to keep the positive momentum going, di ba? So, yun, that's the reason number 2, guys. So, tuloy na tayo, guys. Reason number 3 that why we should keep going, kumbaga, is to get feedback, di ba? Kumbaga, we publish for feedback, di ba? Anong ibig sabihin nun, guys? So, meaning, guys, once natapos na natin yung project, di ba? At least, we can solicit advice or feedback from other people, kumbaga, di ba? Kung ano yung sa tingin nila, ano yung mga hits and misses natin, ano yung things that we can improve on, di ba? Ano yung mga maganda sa work natin, ano yung medyo pangit, di ba? Ano yung pwede nating baguhin, kumbaga. In that way, guys, at least, di ba, natapos natin yung work natin, yung project natin, kung ano man yan, di ba? Ang mahalaga is there is feedback from people, di ba? Feedback from your friends, kumbaga from your coach, from your teacher, from your boss, your colleague, di ba? in that way guys, at least alam nyo kung saan next time, sa next na project nyo, alam nyo kung saan kayo mag-focus, kumbaga, kung ano yung mga misses nyo, kung ano yung mga pagkukulang nyo sa work na yon or sa project na yon, you can bring it to your next project, kumbaga. So, mag-i-improve talaga kayo in that process, guys. Diba? So, mas madali yung next project nyo, mas madali na, mas your skills have improved, kumbaga, mas alam nyo na kung ano yung gagawin nyo sa mga next upcoming projects. So again, yun nga, wag mawala ng pag-asa guys. So keep moving forward, kumbaga, di ba? Getting those feedback from other people, di ba? That would really help you as a person, di ba? As yun, you strive for greatness, kumbaga, to improve on your craft, kumbaga, di ba? So that's the reason number 3, guys, di ba? So we can solicit feedback from other people, kumbaga. So yung reason number 4 natin, guys, is actually yung reason number 4 is nothing is really perfect, di ba? So isipin natin, guys, actually yung perfection hindi pa talaga na-achieve yan, guys, because there is no such thing, kumbaga. Because di ba, kahit yung mga anong tawag dito, yung mga na-invention, yung mga example, yung cars, di ba, continuously nag-i-improve yung mga cars, yung mga technology natin, guys, yung computer, yung cellphone, di ba? Apparently, pagbili natin ng cellphone, we thought that, ito na yung the best cellphone in the market, but next month, di ba, iba na naman yung the best, because apparently, guys, di ba, everything is anong tawag dito, nag-i-improve, di ba? Everything is continuously improving, kumbaga, di ba? So there is no such thing as perfect, di ba? But yung mahalaga nun, guys, we are improving, di ba? So yun, guys, isipin natin yun, guys, na wala namang perfect human being, di ba? Wala namang perfect na project, walang perfect na reports, di ba? Yun yung mahalaga dun, guys, is we have learned something dun sa ginagawa natin, yung nag-enjoy tayo, and of course, yung nag-i-improve din tayo as a person, di ba? So, yun ang mahalagang isipin natin, guys. Hindi yung negative, di ba? But always look at the positive, bright side of things, kumbaga, di ba? So, yun, guys, yun. So, nothing is perfect. Yun lang yung isipin natin, guys. So, don't be too harsh or too hard on yourself, kumbaga, di ba? Because we have this tendency na biniblame natin yung self natin because na you're not too good, di ba? Hindi ka magaling, wala kang skills, wala kang talent, wala kang kwenta, yung mga things na gano'n. So, yun, guys, nothing and no one is really perfect, guys. So, that's why we have friends, we have family. They are the ones who keep us, di ba? Who keep us parang in balance, who keep us in, anong tawag dito? There's this community, kumbaga, because no man is an island, kumbaga. So we need each other, guys, because kung tayo lang mismo, hindi naman tayo perfect, diba? So yun, isipin natin, guys, walang work na perfect, walang project na perfect. So yun, guys, continuous improvement is the key, kumbaga, diba? So yun, guys, so that's the reason number 4. So ang last reason natin, guys, why mas mahalaga na tapusin natin yung sinimula natin is the last one. Definitely the last one, guys, is it's time to move on. Yun, di ba? So there is this point, guys, na yung it seems that binigay na natin lahat. We've done our part. Yung tipong na it seems that wala nang solusyon. Kumbaga, that's really it. That's the best you can give, di ba? So yun, guys, it's really time to move on na, guys. So, yung project na yun, guys, kumbaga, i-close na natin yung project na yun, i-submit na natin, di ba? Kung anong project man yun, guys, ha? Kung maybe you're into yung mga movie, di ba? Nagagawa kayo ng mga short film or nagagawa kayo sa, like a school, yung mga presentation ninyo, di ba? PowerPoint presentation, yung iba, guys, I've seen sa YouTube, yung naggumagawa sila ng film, yung mga, dati kasi, yung mga plays, di ba, like Ibong Adarna, yung mga Florante at Laura, ganun, yung mga El Filibusterismo, di ba? I've seen sa YouTube, guys, they are making this film na, so maybe there will come a point in time na it's like na it's dragging them na to the point na nawawala na sila ng gana, kumbaga na tatapusin muna natin to, or to the point na yung tipong ganun, guys. So ang advice ko lang dyan, guys, is move on na kayo, guys. So i-submit na ninyo yan, guys. So there's no point na of anong tawag dito of yung point na nag-stuck na kayo dyan, guys, diba? So better na move on na kayo, guys. So it's really important din, guys, if we have this mga projects or kung ano man yan, guys, is we set yung tinatawag natin na limit, guys, or yung time. It should be time bounded tayo, guys. Kung may deadline tayo, guys, example na itong task na ito hanggang I'll give it 2 weeks, kumbaga, diba? So after nun, guys, move on na kayo sa next na task, ganun, guys. So yun, so that's also a great way of finishing things, guys, is you set a timeline. Kumbaga, timeline na ito, the research part, I'll just give it 2 weeks, diba? Yung pag-make ng presentation, I'll give it like 3 days, diba? Ganon. So mag-set kayo ng time, guys, or yung schedule yung mga task ninyo until such time na ma-finish nyo yung work nyo, diba? So yun, guys, diba? So natapos na kayo sa inyong work, guys. Yun lang, guys, yun yung topic natin for today is the 5 reasons why done is better than perfect. So yun lang isipin natin, guys. Nothing is perfect. Kumbaga, no one is perfect in this world, diba? Yung mga projects natin lahat, guys, wala naman talagang perfect sa mundong ito, diba? So we just have to always learn, kumbaga, learn to improve on our craft, our skills, our abilities, our talent, our gifts, diba, kumbaga. So yun yung mas mahalaga dun, guys, that we are improving, kumbaga, we are, diba, yung kung sa mga software pa, guys, diba, unang labas ng software is version, sabihin na version 1, diba? Example, guys, yung Windows natin, diba? Saan nagsimula yung Windows? Ngayon, anong Windows na ba tayo? Windows 8, Windows 9, diba? So yung isipin natin, guys, it's a process, diba? We are continually improving, kumbaga, diba? Guys, sa Android, diba? Dati, anong Android 1, 2, hanggang ngayon, anong Android na tayo? Malayo na, diba? So yun yung mahalaga dun, guys. We strive to better ourselves, diba? So that's it for my vlog for today, guys. Napaka very short lang, guys, very short and very quick lang yung pinag-usapan natin today, guys. I hope that somehow it helped you guys in a way that we strive for greatness, kumbaga. So my name again is PJ Yo, guys, and thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you again in my upcoming videos, guys. So we still have a lot of videos to come, guys, so stay tuned, and of course, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, PJ Yo. Yon. So I'll see you again next time.